For us, on site here, we started production in 1992, so we've been here manufacturing automotive engines for more than 33 years. We employ 580 members on site today with high skill and high motivation, and we're developing them ready for the future.
I've always wanted to work with machinery, so Toyota was the perfect career path for me. When I was younger, I was growing up working with my dad in the garage, which led me to be a maintenance engineer for Toyota. I've now helped to be first responder to calls whenever there's a breakdown.
It's very important being based here to work strongly with the local colleges and universities. We work closely with College Cambria with the education of our apprentices, and also for the higher education where we're taking our maintenance members or production members onto engineer level. We're working strongly with Swansea University.
So what's unique about Deeside is that we have our own casting plant, so we melt the aluminium ingots in-house and then it's directly transferred over to our machining process, which is a fully automated part of our process where we go through a high tolerance machining. After it comes over to assembly, where our skilled workers assemble the engine into one piece. After function check, the engines are then shipped out to our various European plants to become the heart of many Toyotas across Europe.
For North Wales, we have got great connections. We're very close to the roads, but we're also close to the shipping routes because we ship engines to other destinations around the world, and we're exploring the rail links where we have a railway just behind us here.
As a local, so I'm from Wrexham, I'm really lucky to have somewhere so close to me that I can work in Wales, and I'm happy that I have that privilege to do that. My favourite thing about working in this area and living here is the route to work. It's got all the countryside and it's just a nice place to be, really. You're not just stuck in a city somewhere.
I ni, mae'n pwysig iawn i pobl yn yr ardal hyn yn gweithio yma ar y dysgu pethau newydd. I fi, mae'n pwysig iawn i weld pobl ifanc yn datblygu bydd yn Toyota mlynyddoedd i dod.
So we feel that that's a part where we can actually add value to Wales.